This instructional video explains how to adjust system settings to correct bscan vectoring issues in the Scanmate version 4 software. A PDF transcript of this video can be downloaded via the link in the comments section. PC power saving features may interfere with the operation of bscan devices, resulting in image tearing or vectoring. Such issues can be corrected by disabling USB bandwidth throttling in the Windows registry and disabling USB port power saving features. To troubleshoot this issue, you will need to be logged in as either a local or domain administrator. Hold the Win keyboard key and press the R keyboard key. The Run window will open. Type in REGEDIT and select OK. If prompted to allow changes to the registry, select Yes. The Registry Editor window will open. The editor is navigated using the file tree on the left-hand side. Expand files by double-clicking them. Navigate to the folder HKey Local Machine, System, Current Control Set, Services, Intel PPM. When Intel PPM is selected, the right-hand panel will display several values. Double-click the Start value. The dialog box will open. The default value will be 3. Change the value to 4 and click the OK button. To edit the USB port power settings, hold the Win keyboard key and press the R keyboard key. The Run window will open. Type in devmgmt.msc and select OK. The Device Manager window will open. Navigate to Universal Serial Bus Controllers and double-click to expand the tree. Right-click the first item in Universal Serial Bus Controllers and select Properties. A window will open showing USB properties. If there is a Power Management tab, select it. Uncheck the box next to Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, then click OK. If the properties do not show a Power Management tab, then no change is required. Click OK to close the window. Check all items under Universal Serial Bus Controllers for power management settings and disable them as necessary. Once completed, restart the computer for the changes to take effect.